Welcome. In front of me is a ZOPO Speed 7, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card. So to start off, you might want to power off the device. So I'm gonna do that. Tap on power off and select OK. Now while the phone is turning off, you can flip it over, and on the bottom left corner you will have this little notch right here. You can just put your fingernail and kind of pop off the cover like so. You can put that on the side, take out the battery by pushing it in and out, or up and out. And then to put a SIM card, you can choose either basically the tray 1 or 2, doesn't matter. And it's the micro SIM, as you can see. And just want to put it like so till it actually goes in somehow. But I'm for some reason struggling. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, now it's slid in there. And the SD card, you want to take it like so. And also push it in. And it's in. So then you can put the battery in. And I'm not going to put the cover on. But let's turn it on and see that everything works. Okay, let's see. Open up the settings. So the SIM card was just red. As you can see, there it is, the SIM card that we put in. And also let's check the memory. It's right here. As you can see, the SD card is also being read, 30 gigs of it. And that's how much I put in there. So yeah, both of them are working fine. So that's basically how you put it in. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.